Episode 5 of ERP for Beginners. Cloud versus on-premise. The deployment question. Four deployment options: on-premise, public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid. By the end, you'll know which one fits which situation. The landscape first. Every ERP vendor offers at least 3 deployment options, often 4: on-premise, public cloud, private cloud, and some hybrid. They all trade the same 3 things: control versus innovation speed versus cost shape. Most medium and large companies don't pick once. They end up hybrid, different parts of the portfolio in different deployments. Option 1, on-premise. The classical install. You buy a license, your IT team deploys it on your own servers. Full customization, custom code, custom tables, custom integrations. All allowed. You choose when to upgrade, big projects, every 18 to 36 months. Maximum control, maximum responsibility, slowest to innovate. Option 2, public cloud, sometimes called SaaS ERP. The vendor runs it. Multi-tenant. Your data is logically separated, but the infrastructure is shared with everyone else on the same platform. You pay per user per month. Operating expense, not capital expense. Predictable monthly bill. Customization is limited on purpose. You configure, you don't code. The standard process is the whole point. Upgrades are continuous. 2 or 4 major releases per year, pushed automatically. You're always on the latest version. Options 3 and 4. The pragmatic middle. Private cloud is single tenant. The vendor runs the infrastructure, hosting, backups, patching, but you keep your configuration and your custom code. This is how most big ECC to S/4 HANA migrations are actually happening. SAP calls it RISE. Oracle and Microsoft have similar programs. Hybrid is pragmatic. Different workloads in different deployments. Sometimes during a multi-year migration, sometimes because different regions have different rules. For a large business, hybrid is often what the first years of a cloud journey look like. So how do you pick? 4 questions usually settle it. If it's greenfield with no legacy ERP, public cloud, SaaS, fastest, cheapest, standard processes. If you're moving off a heavily customized on-prem system, private cloud, keeps the config, offloads the infrastructure. Heavy regulation or data residency concerns, on-premise or private cloud for full control. Multi-region or multi-year plan, hybrid. Quick recap. 4 deployment flavors: on-premise, public cloud, private cloud, hybrid. On-prem trades slow innovation for maximum control. Public cloud flips that. Fastest innovation, limited customization, predictable subscription cost. And private cloud is the middle path most big ECC to S/4 migrations are landing on. Thanks for watching. Next up, the Season 1 finale, the vendor landscape. Who actually makes ERPs, how they differ, and how companies choose. Subscribe so you don't miss it.